Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Laura Dove here, and today I have a blue halo smoky eye sort of thing for you guys. I was doing nothing the other day, so I figured I'll film a video and I will post this on YouTube's, and hopefully you guys enjoy. So because I have taken quite a lot of time for doing my eyebrows, I figured I'd just skip over this part and go straight to putting Urban Decay primer potion on my eyes as a primer base. Brows usually take a long time, so I'm just gonna put this on my eyes. I'm gonna blend it in with a brush and my fingers to start this off. Next, I'm gonna go into my Smoking Highlight palette by NYX, and I'm going to set it with a white eyeshadow like I usually do to set the base. It seems to be a staple. No creasing. Nobody wants that. Next, I'm going to go into my Modern Renaissance palette using a fluffy blending brush in the color Burnt Orange, and we're going to put this as our transition color so that the blue looks poppin' next to this orange color. Next, I'm going to use Warm Taupe in the Modern Renaissance palette just below our burnt orange color, just to add more definition to our crease. Next, we're going to use our full spectrum Urban Decay palette in the color Minx, which is this dark blue color here, and we're going to pack this all over the eyes, bringing it up to the transition color and lightly blending it out with a small blending brush. Like I do right now. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. So because I didn't like how fully the blue was coming out on my eyeshadow, I decided to go into the Smoky Highlight palette, grabbing that pretty blue, and it made the eyes pop way more. So I'm glad I went with that, and I packed it all over the same color. Next, we're going to go back into the Warm Taupe in the Anastasia palette, and I'm just going to lightly blend over top of that blue there so that we still don't have harsh lines or anything like that. And we also used a bit more of the burnt orange just lightly above that as well, just to bring some more drama, honey, drama. Next, I'm going to go in the 12 foiled eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics using this gray color, and also the 24 color tattoo by Maybelline in a nice cream color. I'm not really sure of the name, but I'm going to put that in the middle of my eyes with a flat blending brush, and I'm going to blend that out just in the center of my eyelids, just to make it pop and give that halo effect that we're looking for. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, snap. Now, after feeling yourself for a good hot moment, we're going to go back in with a blending brush with that NYX blue, and we're just going to lightly blend in the sides of our halo eye. Using the Trolls pigment by MAC that was limited edition not too long ago, I'm going to take this on a flat brush, as you can see here. It is quite a bit glittery and a bit of hint of blue flecks in it. And I'm going to place this on the center of my eyelids as well, because I still didn't feel like it was popping enough. And I love glitter, so I added that on top. Adding in that primer to the face, smooth base. Next, taking the Two Color Stays foundation by Revlon, and I'm going to put this all over my face, 2 different colors, just so I can get the best foundation color. A lot of people nowadays have to mix their foundations together. And I'm going to use a beauty blender to beat this into my face. Because my boyfriend gives me kisses and he has stubble and I have a red chin, I'm going to use concealer to cover that area. Also creating a sharp line on the outside of our eyeshadow, so when we go in with our eyeliner, it'll be a lot more easier to make that wing, honey.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run.
Now I'm going to use my MAC NC15 powder, which is now turned into like a loose setting powder. I'm just going to set underneath my eyes, and I'm also going to put some on top of my base, on my face. Next, our bronzer by Essence. I'm going to be putting this in the 3 areas: temple, cheek, chin, the regular stuff, and we're going to blend it in so that we look like we're sun-kissed. Even though it is in the middle of our Canadian winter up here in Ontario, that's what we're going with. And we're going to be using a Sephora liquid illuminizer as part of a base for a highlight so that it's nice and sticky, so when we put the other highlight on top, it's going to be popping. And this itself is actually quite beautiful, so I'm surprised. And then we're going to go with a fan brush into our e.l.f. Moonlit Pearl, which is supposed to be a knockoff of the Champagne Pop by Jaclyn Hill and Becca, and it's actually quite a very beautiful highlight, and I really enjoy it, surprisingly. Only for $3, guys, Walmart.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
And our blush in the big pan that my mom bought me for my Christmas, and we're just gonna put these on the apples of our cheeks, which is why I look silly when I'm smiling with it, but we're gonna do that. Then next we're gonna go into the Smokey palette using that silvery sort of looking highlight. We're going to put it on our brow bone just to make everything pop. And as you can tell, I'm blending the top as well, and it's just popping. I'm in love with this look. Next, we're going to go into eyeliner. Remember what I said about, cutting the sides? This makes it a lot more easier when you're going with your liquid eyeliner. Because some people prefer gel, but I would prefer a liquid liner. Not the felt tip, but it's like little hairs. It makes everything so nice and precise, which is why I love it so much. And don't ask me how the hell I do this. I get asked all the time, why is your eyeliner always so sharp? Trust me, it's harder than you think. A lot of holding my breath in and praying. I'm lining my lower lash line with a kohl eyeliner, and I'm just going to go into this matte black color in that Smoky Highlight palette by NYX, and I'm going to blend out the bottom of my eyes and the eyeliner so that it's kind of smoked out as well. I just really like this look. Oh, I'm feeling myself over there. Next, I'm going to use the burnt orange as well to just lightly buff out that black on the bottom. Gonna curl my lashes. Gonna make them nice and curly.
I don't know what you want.
Next, we're going to take our mascara, whatever one you have, and we're going to put it on the top lashes and bottom lashes to make everything pop, because I don't have falsies. Never been good at falsies. Never will be good with falsies. Next, I'm going to take this light color as well and put it on the insides and the corners of my eyes, just to make, like I keep saying, pop today. So we're going to make our highlight pop in the corner of our eyes. Using Embellishment by NYX, which is a liquid lipstick. And we're going to just put that on our lips because it's like a cool toned mauvey color. And it actually looked really good, so we just stuck with it.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
And there you go. That's the completed blue halo eye. It turned out a lot more better than I thought. I'm very proud of this look. Yeah, so if you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel down low, I'll make sure that you guys get a lot more like this. And I love you all. Goodbye.